Our kidneys play a vital role in filtering out toxins from our blood, maintaining a balance of electrolytes, and regulating blood pressure. Kidneys do a lot of important jobs, and if you don't keep them healthy, it puts you at risk of dangerous conditions like renal failure or kidney cancer. Today, we're exploring the best 10 herbs to detox and cleanse your kidneys naturally. Number 1. Dandelion root. Dandelion root helps flush out excess water and toxins from your kidneys. It also contains antioxidants that support overall kidney health. You can enjoy it in tea form or add it to your salads for a refreshing twist. Number 2. Parsley. Parsley is a powerful herb rich in vitamins A, C, and K. Its diuretic properties help remove toxins and reduce the risk of kidney stones. You can easily incorporate parsley into your diet by adding it to your smoothies or as a flavorful addition to your meals. Number 3. Turmeric. This golden spice is well known for its anti-inflammatory properties. It helps reduce inflammation in the kidneys and may prevent kidney damage. Try adding a pinch of turmeric to your meals or enjoy it in a warm cup of turmeric tea. Number 4. Ginger. Ginger, another powerful herb on our list, has natural detoxifying properties. It helps improve blood circulation to the kidneys and supports their overall function. Consider incorporating fresh ginger into your daily routine, whether in your meals, smoothies, or a soothing cup of ginger tea. Number 5. Nettle. Nettle has diuretic and anti-inflammatory properties that can help cleanse the kidneys. You can enjoy nettle tea or incorporate fresh nettle leaves into your salads for an added nutritional punch. Number 6. Cilantro. Cilantro, a favorite in many cuisines, is our 6th herb for kidney health. It helps flush out heavy metals from the body, promoting a healthy kidney function. Chop some fresh cilantro and add it to your dishes or blend it into a tasty pesto. Number 7. Corn silk. The silky threads found on corn ears. It has diuretic properties that can help reduce fluid retention and support kidney health. Consider brewing a cup of corn silk tea for a gentle and effective kidney cleanse. Number 8. Marshmallow root. Marshmallow root is known for its soothing and anti-inflammatory properties. It can help alleviate kidney inflammation and promote a healthy urinary system. You can find it in herbal teas or as a supplement. Number 9. Chancapiedra, a herb with a long history of use in traditional medicine. It's believed to help break down kidney stones and promote overall kidney health. You can find Chancapiedra in supplement form or as an herbal tea. Number 10. Horsetail. This herb is rich in antioxidants and has diuretic properties, making it a great choice for kidney health. You can enjoy horsetail tea or find it as a supplement in health food stores. And there you have it, our top 10 herbs to detox and cleanse your kidneys naturally. Remember, it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional before making significant changes to your diet or incorporating new herbs, especially if you have existing health conditions. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more content on natural health and wellness. Thanks for joining us today. Until next time, take care of yourselves and stay healthy.